Hi, I'm Dr. Roger Hurst, Chief Scientific Advisor for 2before Performance Nutrition. And over a period of time, we started to realize that blackcurrants was constantly coming up as a positive, as a lead compared to some of the other fruits that we were looking at. And so we started to focus more and more on blackcurrant because clearly it was showing some really nice positive benefits. And I guess over the years now we've developed a whole platform of evidence that we've added to, and ultimately this is where we've come to, and it's really exciting to see this 2before product come through. The ratio of these different anthocyanins, the 4 anthocyanins that are present in blackcurrant, we don't fully understand at this moment whether that's affected by the environment, but the ratio does appear to be subtly different to blackcurrants that are grown elsewhere around the world. So it implies there's an environmental influence that is making this difference, that we believe is important for the health benefits. There are 2 anthocyanin types, and they're bound to different sugars. There's 2 sugar types. One is glucose, so it's called a glucoside, and the other is rutinose, so it's called a rutinoside. And when we've looked at bioavailability, and there's other evidence in the scientific literature, we can see that the rutinoside anthocyanins are absorbed more effectively by the body. So because blackcurrants therefore have higher levels of rutinoside anthocyanins, it means that the anthocyanins in blackcurrants are actually absorbed more effectively than anthocyanins in other fruits. And so what we've found is that the mixture of anthocyanins present in blackcurrants seems to be the right mixture that activates these defensive pathways and initiates the pathways to do their thing. And what that leads to is like 3 sort of prongs of defense. One of them is a management of the oxidative stress, but not from the scavenging, but from the generation of antioxidant capacity from within the cell. So it's an adaptive antioxidant response. The second one is a management of inflammatory processes. So it's a dampening down of pro-inflammatory processes, so a quicker resolution of pro-inflammation, that's negative inflammation, but also a shift towards anti-inflammatory, which moves things towards tissue repair and recovery. And then the third aspect to it is what's called enhancement of chaperone proteins. These are proteins that protect structures within the cell and therefore protect it for the future. So overall, what's happening is the body is responding to a stress, which is partly mediated by the blackcurrant and the exercise. It's adapting, it's initiating all of these pathways, and you're getting a stronger, more adapted cell and tissues from that, and it's then better prepared for the next stress. And those are the health benefits that come through in an indirect way rather than through the scavenging way, the traditional way that used to be understood.